Want to bring your NPCs to life with voice lines in Roblox Studio? Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open your Roblox place and select the NPC model you want to add voice lines to. Step 2. In the Explorer panel, right-click the NPC and choose Insert Object and then Sound. Step 3. With the sound object selected, upload or insert your audio file by pasting the sound ID from Roblox website. Step 4. Set properties like volume looped if needed, and play on remove to false. Name it something like greeting line. Step 5. Create a script inside the NPC. Add this simple line. This makes the NPC talk when the game runs. Optional. Add a proximity prompt, so the NPC speaks only when the player is nearby. In the script, trigger, play on proximity trigger. Final tip. Keep your voice lines under 7 minutes and follow Roblox community's guideline. And that's it. Your NPC now talks in Roblox Studio. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.